Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you love the great outdoors as much as I do, you know that after a long day of hiking, there's nothing better than sinking into a comfortable chair by the campfire. But let's be honest, not all camping chairs are created equal. Some feel like you're sitting on a rock, while others fall apart after one season. That's why today we're on a mission to find the absolute best camping chairs out there. We're going to cover everything from ultra-lightweight options for backpackers to luxurious recliners for those who prefer to camp in style. First up, let's talk about the classic quad-style chair. You know the one, it folds up into a long bag and has a Q-folder. These are the workhorses of the camping world. When looking for a good one, pay attention to the fabric quality. You want something durable, like 600 denier polyester. Also, check the weight capacity. A sturdy steel frame can make a huge difference in stability and longevity. We've tested a few, and our top pick in this category offers extra padding, a cooler pouch built into the armrest, and even a side pocket for your phone or a book. It's the perfect all-rounder for car camping, festivals, or just backyard barbecues. Now, for my fellow backpackers and anyone tight on space, let's dive into the world of ultralight chairs. These things are engineering marvels. They pack down to the size of a water bottle and often weigh less than 2 pounds. The secret is their shock cord pole design, similar to a modern tent. You just snap the frame together, stretch the fabric seat over it, and you're good to go. The trade-off is they sit lower to the ground, which might not be for everyone. But when every ounce in your pack counts, having a chair at the end of the day is a luxury you won't regret. We found one that strikes the perfect balance between weight, comfort, and a surprisingly simple setup. But what if comfort is your number one priority? I hear you. Sometimes you just want to kick back and relax. That's where rocking and reclining camping chairs come in. Yes, you heard that right, rocking chairs for the campsite. These have specially designed legs that allow for a smooth rocking motion on almost any surface, from grass to gravel. They are a game changer for ultimate relaxation. And if you really want to level up, there are recliner models with adjustable leg rests and multiple back positions. They're bulkier for sure, so they're best for RV trips or base camps, but sinking into one of these with a view of the sunset, absolutely priceless. So, how do you choose the right one for you? Think about your primary use. Are you a backpacker counting every gram? Go for an ultralight. A family car camper? A durable quad style is a safe bet. A comfort seeker? Treat yourself to a rocker or a recliner. Also, consider features like Q-folders, storage pockets, and headrests. These little details can make a big difference in your overall experience. Remember to check the packed size and weight to make sure it fits your storage and transportation needs. There's a perfect chair out there for every type of adventurer. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into the best camping chairs. I hope this guide helps you find the perfect throne for your next outdoor adventure. Getting the right gear can truly elevate your experience, and a good chair is no exception. What's your favorite type of camping chair? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your recommendations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next gear review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy camping!